how to turn on and set up SIM pin on iPhone easily. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and configure a SIM pin to add an extra layer of security using the settings application to lock your physical SIM card. So let's get started. First of all, head over to settings and then you're going to click on cellular over here. If you're using any other version, you might be able to see mobile data over here. So basically, locking your SIM card is very important because if your phone gets stolen, no person will be able to make a call or message like, scam calls or messages through your phone impersonating you. So what you're going to do is head over to this section, click on SIM pin over here, and you're going to toggle this button on. So first of all, you're going to type in the current pin. So you're going to take the pin from your carrier, that is the universal pin. In many areas, the universal pin is 000, so you can simply try that down. Or you can simply type in the current pin that your carrier provides you. And after that, you're going to type in the new pin and click on done, and then you're going to confirm new pin, click on done, and that's it. That is how you can turn on and set up SIM pin on iPhone easily. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.